obviously we have made a video, but I am going to the track with 2 buddies. There might be more there, but they're just having one of those, you know, street heats or whatever. It's in Bradenton, and so that's what we're gonna do. Right now I'm currently going over to my buddy Darian's house, and we will probably, I think we're gonna put on a quick release steering wheel for his car. He's actually got a Crown Vic too, and I don't know if you guys, I didn't even make an update or whatever, but this is the new car. It's 2010. I will show it when I get there. But yeah, so I'm gonna head there now. I currently have the flag flying because I bought it at Walmart 4th of July, and I never flew it. So I'm like, you know what? I'll just fly today. Why not? And I smoked that dude. And yeah, so I will talk to y'all when we get there. Alright, so this is a car, like I said. We have the 09. That's Dylan's. That's Darian's. Oh, that's a car I'm going to be putting a wheel on. But so this is a car. It's a 2010 Crown Vic, obviously police interceptor, because, you know, that's what I love. So I got it back in August, I think, of last year, before I crashed the 97. The only reason why I went and did the 97 was because I had this, because I thought the other car was just really, I had to get rid of it soon. So what I've done to it so far is GCC grill, which are hard to come by. I found a really good deal on that, so I had to do it. I got LEDs all around. I got clear corners, Cobra R reps, like a 17 by 9.5 in the front on Nittos. I got a PP on my trunk. I got 17 by 10.5 in the rear on 315s. There are some wide boys. I got the Euro lights. I love these lights. And I got just muffled elite, really. So when I actually got it though, the where was it? It's the, don't mind the flag. It was raining, but I put it in my back seat. Now it's back. I literally just put it up though. But this right here, hard to tell. This isn't the original door that was on the car. The original door that was on the car, I junked because it was damaged. But it was hit in like a hit and run or whatever. But I got a new door, and I couldn't complain. So I'm pretty happy with it. So yeah, so I will try to record best I can of the steering wheel swap. We just disconnect the battery so the airbag doesn't blow up on my face when I do it. But yeah, so I got the this was made, I don't even know. So I got the airbag out. I don't even know. Here we go. So I got the airbag out. There was 2 bolts right here and right here. Unplug it, and then popped out. I already got the Torx loose. See, so now I gotta hammer this bitch off because I don't have a pulley. So I got the wheel off. I don't know where it's at, but we got the hub, and I'm about to bolt that on. Next is a quick release, and then yeah, hopefully the wheel will go on today. We just have to worry about the airbag wires.
I don't know what else to do. I still think we're doing something wrong.
I say we cut them. So I got I kind of like jammed the wires in there, hoping that nothing bad happens, but I got the quick release base on, I guess, I don't know. And I got this part. He's going to grab, what is he gonna go grab? Forgot. Oh, something to cut the zip tie.
Oh yeah.
But other than that though, ah! Oh, whoops. Hold on. Let me see if I can't do it with one hand. Alright, I gotta do it too.
I tried the knife, it didn't work.
There we go. See? But yeah, so all you gotta do is that, and
Yeah, no, this zip tie is literally a whole pump.
The pump's just
alright, so it's all hooked up, just started it up.
Yeah, the pumps are
And yeah.
Did you tighten it?
So it's all good. The horn's not connected. Gonna do that tomorrow on separate. But yeah, so the the wheel is all in. It's honestly not that bad. So yeah. I'd give this a good success. Mint. Alright, so right now we are currently meeting up with some other people. I unfortunately though had to take down the flag because it was like just some cheap ass Walmart thing, and yeah, it did not really work out that well. But the flag is still intact, and so we're good. But there's a lowered Grand Marquis next to me, and I kind of fucks with it. But yeah, so we're on the way to the track. We're gonna stop, meet up with some more people, and then off to Bradenton. I just got over the Skyway, as you can tell in the mirror, maybe, I don't know. But I forgot to record it, but it's whatever. So in the meantime though, might do like a little time lapse. Gonna try, I don't know. But yeah.
Might pick up a little bit from it just being that cold.
What do our mind would run?
So it looks like I'll be racing a Mercedes. So I'm gonna get waxed, and this is not gonna be fun. So unfortunately I don't have the mount for my GoPro. I don't know what I did with it, so I'm gonna have to try to get video from like outside, because yeah, so this will be interesting. Yo. Oh my gosh, I just ran at it's kind of hard to tell. A 16:09. I thought I was gonna get like mid 16s, maybe like upper 16s, but I just got a 16:0. Oh, I'm so happy. Yo, at what, 60, at 85 miles an hour. I like that. Alright, so we had a fun day at the track. I ran, I think, 4 or 5 times maybe. My fastest time was a 16:043 at 86, I think, miles an hour, which honestly isn't bad. I was just going to get numbers before I did the axle swap, and I realized that I didn't get a lot of footage, and I'm like, shit, and then I realized, oh, that's the end of the night, so there goes that. So I do have somebody that was there, who knows me. He sent me my fastest pass, so I'm gonna include that in here. So I'm like, oh yes, because I didn't know if anybody got it or not.
Hell yeah.
So, and we're probably about to see streamers. And I'm doing 75 right now, and they're just slowly going away, so I don't feel like getting a speeding ticket. I've already got, yeah, nah, I'd rather not explain that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna try to do more.